There is something quietly mesmerizing about his staircase. It is not just a path between floors, it is a transition between worlds. And when that staircase appears to float, suspended in the air, framed in the natural warmth of wood, it becomes more than architecture. It becomes a moment of wonder. Wooden floating staircases redefine how we perceive structure and space. They seem impossibly light, yet grounded, minimal, yet alive, modern, yet rooted in timeless craftsmanship. A traditional staircase tells you exactly how it stands, the supports, the rises, the bulk. It is all visible. But a floating staircase plays a different game. It hides its logic, challenges the eye, and creates the illusion that solid wood can defy gravity. This isn't just about engineering, it is about emotion. There is a subtle thrill when you step on something that looks too delicate to hold you, yet feels utterly solid. That tension between appearance and experience is what gives floating staircases their magic. Wood, with its organic texture and natural strength, amplifies the effect. It softens the sharp geometry of modern design and replaces coldness with quiet confidence. In architecture, negative space is as important as form. A floating staircase is essentially a sculpted dialogue between wood and air. Each thread becomes a rhythm in that conversation, an alternating pulse of matter and emptiness. Wood responds beautifully to this kind of composition. Its grain catches light differently with every step, making the entire structure dynamic. As daylight shifts, the shadows between steps breathe. The staircase changes mood, almost as if alive. No metal or concrete achieves that same organic rhythm. Wood interacts with air in a way that feels natural, not engineered but evolved. Behind every floating staircase is precise craftsmanship. Hidden steel brackets, wall anchors, or stringers often bear the weight, allowing the wood to appear effortless. But what is visible to us is grace. That is the paradox of wooden floating designs. Immense strength concealed behind visual simplicity. Every joint, every grain alignment, every layer of finish has to be deliberate. You can't fake balance. And perhaps that is why most people are drawn to these staircases. They embody the same principle we see in our own lives. Quiet strength that doesn't need to show off. Floating staircases often live in contemporary interiors. All glass, concrete, and clean lines. But pure modernism can feel sterile. That is where wood enters as the equalizer. The wooden threads bring soul back into the minimalism. They make modernism human. That single material choice can shift the atmosphere from intimidating to inspiring, from cold to calm. When you pair natural wood tones with sharp architectural forms, you create tension, but a harmonious one. It is not nostalgia versus progress. It is balance between the two. The most beautiful aspect of a floating wooden staircase might not even be the structure itself, but the light it shapes. Every morning and evening, shadows weave through the steps, tracing invisible patterns on the wall and floor. The staircase becomes a sundial of the home, marking time through shifting gradients. Wood enhances that effect. Its texture absorbs and diffuses light in a way that feels warm, never harsh. Even the smallest reflection of a polished grain creates a soft glow that adds depth to the room. In many ways, a wooden floating staircase isn't just climbed, it is experienced. There is a misconception that minimalism means emptiness, but good minimalism, like a floating wooden staircase, is full of restraint, not absence. It is about deciding what not to add. When a design is reduced to its essence, every element must earn its place. The texture of the wood, the angle of the light, the feel of the step beneath your feet, everything matters. That is what makes these staircases so powerful. In the end, a staircase isn't just a connection between floors, it is a metaphor for transition from one state of being to another. A wooden floating staircase captures that beautifully. It stands for progress without losing its roots, lightness without fragility, sophistication without coldness. And maybe that's why we never tire of looking at them. So until next time, happy decorating.